Okay, everyone, we're on step 5 of how to grow your revenue 5 times in 12 months, right? So good. We are now looking at cash flow. Do you like my drawing? This is someone scuba diving and this is the oxygen. I won't give it my day job. So anyway, at least I find it funny. So your cash is your oxygen running through your business. Now, step 6, you need to do a cash flow forecast, right? In line with your business plan, your goals, and your budget, right? They all feed together. So once you've done your budget, make sure you have enough cash to see it out. So you have to do a cash flow forecast as well. In the next step 7, we'll talk about actual versus unicorns and rainbows, utopia. But this is, do you have enough cash? And does it align to your budget, your goals, and your business plan? All chicken and egg, all circular, right? So how I do a cash flow. Now, if you are really cash poor and really tight, you're gonna need to do a daily cash flow. If you've got enough cash, just do monthly, right? So depending on where you are in your business, I'm just gonna pretend this business is fine, right? So on the 31st of March or on the 1st of April 26, just say this company had 500K in their bank account, right? 500K in their bank account. That was the total balance of all their bank accounts, right? Now, all I want you to do in an Excel spreadsheet, this is column 1, right? Well, this is column 1, these names, this is column 2. Put in here all the money you're anticipating getting in. This is the money in. Now, if you are paid on the 20th of the following month, this is going to be things you invoiced in March and you got paid in April. What did you get paid in April? What are you paying out in April? So you might be paying on the 20th as well. So you might be charged rent in March and you pay it on the 20th of April. What is coming out? So put all your ins in here and your outs in here, right? And total it. And then you take and just say that was, you've got 300K of revenue coming in and you've got 200K of costs, right? Making this up. So you've got now 100K there. 100K plus 500K, you're gonna have 600K in your bank account overall. You're gonna transfer that, you're just gonna have this equals that. So that's gonna be now 600K on the May, on the 1st of May 26. Then you're gonna do the same. And then that's gonna give you a closing balance and it's gonna go up to there. So on and so forth, right? It's not that complicated. Just takes an Excel spreadsheet to set it up. And if you are really tight on cash, you're gonna have to do this daily. So that would be the 1st of April. What money do you have coming in April? If you're a restaurant, you've got money coming in daily unless you're closed on that day. If you're not a restaurant and you're an accounting business, you only get paid on the 20th, you're gonna have nothing until the 20th, right? But you could have expenses. Your phone might come out on the 5th. Your zero fees might come out on the 10th, whatever. See, you can make this so simple, but you need to do this cash flow forecast, right? This is how does your cash look with your current budget? And does it work? Are you going to run out of money? Do you need to rethink your business plan, your goals, and your budget, okay? So that's your cash flow forecast. And then we'll come into the next step, step 6, which will be measuring reality with your unicorns and rainbows. All right, super simple this one. Just do it in Excel. This is predicting the future. Next we'll look at not the future, reality. All right, know your numbers, grow your business.